8 BMPs or basic metabolic panels we need to know. Now, please don't just glance at these 8 numbers. We need to think of it as the window into our body's electrical balance, energy supply, and kidney function. Basically, how well it is running and perfusing itself. Number one is sodium, that is 135 to 145. Remember, sodium is mostly outside the cells. It controls water, nerve signals, and muscles. What happens when our sodium levels drop too low? Remember, patients can get confused, they can get dizzy, and even begin to seize. Number two is potassium, that is 3.5 to 5.0. Now, this one lives inside the cells and it is critical for our heart. Even small shifts can throw off our heart rhythm and become life-threatening. Number three is chloride. That is 98 to 107. Now, this often flies under the radar, but it's the partner to sodium. This keeps the electrical charges and acid-base balance in check. Now, changes here usually hint at dehydration or metabolic problems. Number four is bicarbonate, that is 22 to 28. Now, this is your main buffer. It keeps your body's pH steady. Now, low bicarbonate level means metabolic acidosis. High bicarbonate level means metabolic alkalosis. So this is the silent safety net maintaining our stability. Let's jump onto the kidneys. BUN, that is 7 to 20. This tells us how much protein waste is in our blood and gives us a snapshot of hydration and kidney perfusion. Let's also jump into creatinine, that is 0.6 to 1.3. Now, this is more specific. High levels of creatinine indicates your kidneys are not filtering properly. Now, together, these give a clear picture of our renal function. Now, let's talk about glucose, that is 70 to 100. Fasting. Now, this is the body's fuel. Too high glucose levels and it may signal stress, infection, or diabetes. Too low levels and the brain, the heart, and the muscles start sending danger signals. Finally, let's talk about calcium. Calcium levels 8.5 to 10.5. This is just not for bones only. It regulates our muscles, our nerves, our clotting, and our heart rhythm. Too little calcium level causes spasms or seizures. Now, too much can trigger confusion or heart rhythm problems. When you look at a BMP, please remember we don't just read numbers. Sodium, potassium, chloride, these are the electrical system. Now, bicarbonate, that is the buffer. BUN and creatinine, now these are your filtration levels. Glucose is the fuel. Calcium is the muscle and the nerve stability. So when any of these are off and the body is also off balance, that's when you step in and act.